Hi everyone, this is just a quick project share to show what I made for this week's hashtag Artist Trading Card Fun, hosted by Lizzie Dean's Artistic Chaos, who will be linked in the title down below. Yesterday, Tuesday the 7th, on my live stream, I made these two altered 3x5 index cards. This one I put the paper on the lined part, and this one I put it on the front. This was a thin piece of paper that Jean actually had gifted to me, and so were these butterflies gifted to me, and some washi and stickers here, here, and here. And I stamped Dream on a little piece of paper and edged this whole thing in vintage photo. And these are some little gold flower bling that I had. So that's pretty much what I did on that one. This one was a piece of paper that had been gifted to me by Martha Makes Art. This is a little bit of rickrack from Dollar Tree from Easter time, a year or two ago. And I've had these in my stash from AC Moore years ago. And this I stamped, this was out of I think a Spellbinders stamp set. Yes, this one here called Parcel and Post Sentiments, that at one point I was getting their Kid of the Month stamp and dies, and um, this was the die. I've never made it yet, but this was the stamp set that went with it. So I used Sending a Little Holiday Sparkle. I fussy cut this tree out of a little strip of the paper that I had cut off to fit on the index card. And in the background, I used this Altenew stamp, and I used Versamark ink and white embossing powder, and I heat embossed some little snow droplets. They're not very blingy or anything, but they're there. And then I just felt like it needed something else, and so I had this Stampin' Up! Iridescent ribbon, and I just put some of that up at the top, made a bow, and that's that one. So those are what I made for this week for the altered index cards as part of hashtag Artist Trading Card Fun. I have not written on the back yet, but I need to put the date and my name and that kind of thing on them. And then I found this for now until I send them somewhere. I found this box, which I'm going to cover with some designer paper or something. And I am keeping things I made in here for, uh, yeah, this one was for Deck the Year from Penny's Crafty Creations last week. I still have to do the ones for this week, and I have to glue that down better. And then this was for Lizzie Jean's Artistic Chaos channel for the same collab that I made these for, because last week we were to alter a playing card, and this part here is the back part of the playing card. So yeah, I need to put this kind of information on the back of these too for January 7th. But I'm trying to do the video, so you'll see this on the 8th. But if you were on my live, you've already seen it. And yeah, I'll have to write on these and put them in my box. And I need to find some pretty paper and cover my box. So that's another project for another day. Okay, hope you like them. If you want to see how I made them, please go watch the first part of my live, probably the first hour, I think, maybe a little longer. And you can see the chaos that I went through on this particular day live to get things made. And then I did some other stuff. So yeah, hope you can rewatch if you didn't see that, or if you're interested in knowing what I did. It's pretty easy. I did ink around the edges. This one was with Stampin' Up's Gorgeous Grape, I believe. And this one was Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. So two different styles, and you can make them however you want. All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, wonderful week, and I'll see you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.